Hi guys, welcome to our YouTube channel Tech with Chavan. In this video, I will be showing you an awesome AI tool which I hope you all will like. So, without any further delay, let's get started. You can sign up for free to this site called Runway. The link will be given in the description below. Here you can see a lot of features that you can try and have some fun with them. For this video purpose, I will show you this feature called in painting. So let me import a video. You can see this video. I like this view but I don't want the dog to disturb my view. So let me erase it now. You can see that doing it is so easy. Now, let us watch the same video. You can see that the dog is erased. I had a lot of fun with this and I hope you all enjoyed the video. We will be back with more such interesting tech videos. If you find this video useful, then please hit that like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.